Hey there! If you're in the lubricant manufacturing industry, you know that graphite is a game changer. But getting that perfect graphite powder consistency can be a real challenge. That's where our advanced graphite pulverizing mill comes in. It's about to change everything you know about lubricant production. Imagine achieving ultra-fine graphite particles with incredible consistency, batch after batch. This isn't just any grinding technology, we're talking about precision engineering at its finest. Our mill uses cutting-edge pulverizing mechanisms that ensure uniform particle distribution. Say goodbye to clumping, uneven textures, and production inconsistencies that plague traditional methods. The secret lies in our specialized grinding chambers and optimized airflow systems. These work together to create the perfect environment for graphite particle refinement. You'll get graphite powder so fine and consistent, it blends perfectly into your lubricant formulations. This means improved product quality, better performance characteristics, and happier customers. Think about the benefits: enhanced lubrication properties, reduced friction, and longer equipment life. Your lubricants will perform better in extreme temperatures and high-pressure conditions. But it's not just about quality, efficiency matters too. Our mill is designed for maximum throughput with minimal energy consumption. You'll see significant reductions in production time and operating costs. The automated controls make operation simple and repeatable. No more guesswork, no more manual adjustments, just consistent, reliable performance. Safety is built into every aspect of the design. Dust containment systems protect your workers and your facility. Temperature controls prevent overheating and maintain product integrity. Maintenance is straightforward with easy-access components and durable construction. This machine is built to last through years of demanding production schedules. Whether you're producing industrial lubricants, automotive oils, or specialty greases, this graphite pulverizing mill will transform your manufacturing process. It's compatible with various graphite types and can be customized to your specific needs. The results speak for themselves: superior lubricant quality, increased production efficiency, and competitive advantage. Ready to take your lubricant manufacturing to the next level? Contact us today to see how our graphite pulverizing technology can revolutionize your operations. Your journey to better lubricants starts with the right grinding solution.